Okay, so we're on the second floor, and this is where the pool is. So let's go see the pool. Oh, wow. I love this pool. Uh, wow. I'm just kind of giving you a visual of it, and so you can see it. And then we're going to talk about and walk through it real quick. But what I love about it is it's so long. This is probably 80 feet, 100 feet or more. I think it's the longest pool I've seen in quite a long time. So you could absolutely swim in here. It's 4 feet, so you absolutely could swim. It's not just for social enjoyment. So that's pretty striking. I love it. Okay, so let's go clockwise, and let's start with, there's a area with 2 TVs that are here, and this is covered. So you've got a great area to enjoy and relax. And it's right next to the gym, and then we'll see the gym in just a minute, but just for convenience, it's right there. Okay, so it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 chairs over there, and great looking chairs ready for you to relax and get that tan on. Look at this pool. Oh my goodness, it's just so huge. There's a step down here too, so you can step down and still be in the water but not totally submerged. But oh, and by the way, there's little alcoves where there's also some tables and chairs too, to kind of have a little private section, half private section, if you would. I'm gonna take a look at the view out here. So this is second floor, and right over there is McKinney Avenue. So great views, it's just a great location. And then there's that M-Line tower, the M-Line trolley, where all the trolleys are. That trolley service is great. Okay, so let's keep walking, and I like the landscape. It's simple, it's not really overpowering, but I like it that it's here, and it's live trees that are here too. And it's the second floor, so keep in mind, this isn't the first floor. It's not, they just can't dig anywhere. They've got to really plan it, to have this. So there's a grilling area that's over here. And by the way, do you notice some of these patios? They're huge, and they're incredibly pet friendly. They've got this huge amount of artificial grass on here. So even those, or even these ones where the balconies aren't as big, but they have the artificial grass. So wow, that would be really in demand and cool. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna walk a little bit more here and look at these. Gosh, I love it. There's so many of these beautiful white chairs that are in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like another maybe 8 up there. So 18 of these guys in the water. And this is a like a 6-inch, 4-inch kind of water area. So really, really pretty. This pool is just amazing. And then there's more of these chairs here too. So wow, it's just beautiful. You can see too, there's a mid-rise and the high-rise. So the high-rise is here, and then the mid-rise is over here. So the mid-rise look like it's about maybe 6 stories or so. So the mid-rise goes right up to there, and then the high-rise is there. So depending on, if you want to be super, super high, you can be in the high-rise. If not, you can be in the mid-rise. The mid-rise does appear to have I guess they both, depending on the floor. But I noticed in the mid-rise section, that's where you've got more of the patios there for the dogs. So that might be a little bit more dog friendly. And then we end up here. So this is all great. Love this pool. Very elegant, simple, not overdone. And I actually like that quite a bit.